everything's coming down. Huge. River in our street. There's a real baseball. All the dents along my eaves trough. Holy cow. None of that was ever there before. Double rainbow.
That was scary, wasn't it, you guys? Okay, someone find
All right.
the biggest one.
Find the biggest one. I'm going to take a baseball with us. Here's our baseball.
Baseball!
See, there's yeah, those are pretty close, aren't they? Getting there. But look at how dented that is. Oh, you know, even the windshield got shattered. Holy cow. Yeah, look at all, like the eaves troughs all the way around are just beat up. Holy cow. They just got siding last year.
Their window. Look at their window.
Oh, their front window shattered.
So did Teresa's.
Holy cow.
Looks like it.
Yeah.
That was down at the lake.
Yeah.
We went with Ashley's.
Holy,
dad.
look at that windshield. It was
Look at
facing right
Terrence.
into it. It was divoted.
Yeah. Oh my gosh.
Holy.
Should we gotta cover this somehow.
Taryn
He
got
said-
one
he
right
said
through the back window.
When we talked to him, he said, "Don't do anything.
Yeah.
Wait till we get there. Then we'll FaceTime you."
They're coming? Wait till who gets here?
I'm gonna get.
Holy cow. Some lights off the trailer on the ground. This is the shakes got beat up. All the pine tree branches on the ground.
You should get the video camera. This is so sad, really. How about you guys, though?
Oh my, those are right through.
Oh, right through your windows, Julie.
They're both panes.
Oh.
And you just had, well, is your new side on the one side damaged, the south side?
Yeah, this is the way it came. Just it came at this angle, yeah.
All I know is it was hitting our roof. I was in the house and I was just ducking because I was.
Well, this one's broken, but it shows you the diameter of it. Pretty much baseball size there.
Hey, Harvey, you should give me a picture of whatever you.
We
Just
were
look at all
watching, and it was just.
Look at all the pieces of shakes on the ground here.
It's okay.
I thought shakes were hail-proof.
I don't think anybody.
Not that storm-proof. That was nuts.
Anybody prepares for this big though.
Look at that drain pipe. Just flattened.
And I just.
Shattered the caps on my fence. Broke that 2x4. Man. Lawnmower and wheelbarrow got it too, right through there. There's Ava's window. Dang it. At least it's not all the way through. Oh, look at that. It's just pummeled. This is the back of the house that was pretty much safe because it was coming the other direction, but it's still got the eaves trough on this side. So there's about the size of them.
The car windshield shops are going to be loving it.
Yeah, everybody's going to need new windshields. And the garage doors all dented up.
Shipping them from Vancouver and Edmonton.
I'm surprised that window up there didn't break. They were bouncing like 15 feet in the air after they were hitting the ground. Ouch.
gosh, look at the trap. Look at the leaves, Dad.
Oh yeah, the whole backyard is...
Oh my gosh.
I'm going around the front first.
Ah, the backyard.
Alright, here's Grandpa's house. So all the eaves trough is all dented. Yours isn't as bad as ours is, but it's still dented. Siding's cracked, chipped.
What are we out here for trillions of days?
The garden,
Guys, we're
flower
out here
bed.
for trillions of days.
We're gonna be
What's up?
picking up leaves for a little while. I just finished this week nicely trimming the trees, but this tree,
I did not do this.
Look at the spinners on the roof.
oh yeah, that one's still spinning, but it's got holes all the way
How'd
through
you
it.
guys do? Oh, your truck. What about your van?
Oh, that one on the right, right in the middle
I
up
think
there,
any vehicle, right?
is
Not
flattened.
outside.
The whole backyard is leaves and twigs.
Oh, good thing his Jeep didn't get wrecked.
And I even nicely trimmed that huge willow tree. But I guess I didn't trim enough off because the hail decided it wanted to rip more down. Yeah, all the branches in the eaves troughs. Oh, Grandpa's shed skylights are shattered. These crab apples have some bruising for some reason. Holy cow. See all the bruises on the crab apples even? Like, some of these are just beat to a pulp. Grandpa's truck got hail damaged, but Grandpa's new car even got hail damaged. Yeah, Grandpa's new car got hail damaged. Look at that dent right on the hood. Oh man! Hop in, Maya. The front. Look at these two. Just
Oh, that was everyone's
right on the
favorite
corners.
car.
Well, that apple tree looks a little bit sparse now. It was so full this year, it was going to be awesome. That chair. Oh, there's glass everywhere up here. This table survived. Barbecue's even got some hail damage. But that table used to look like that one. Glass everywhere. Chairs. Spinner's not working anymore.